Any idea? Okay. So, sila ang nakakuha ng halos tigit yung iba. 0.6 lang. Tatlo kayong halos 86 kaya lang. May 0.6 kaya pumasok. Okay, congratulations! Group number 9! Third place! BSM 101A! Okay, may I request? Asa din mga practice ng okay. Mamaya ang attendance, mamaya tatapusin muna ang program. Nawala na to ang aking mga hurado na gymnastics. Okay? Okay.
Ayun!
Sir Robby. Sir Robby! May I request Sir Robby to present the trophy para sa ating third place group number 9 from BSM 101A. BSM, pasok kayo lahat dito. Pasok. Dito ang harap, Yan. O sige, pumasok na rin. Mamaya, punasan nyo na rin. Sige, pasok na. May I request Sir Robby to present the award? Sir Robby na dyan? May I follow mo. So, mamaya natin, present lang po natin ng trophy at si Sir Robby. Okay. ACD, wala pong representative ng ACD. Lagi pa uwi, isa na lang. Okay, sige. Ito na lang. Sige, tumawag. Ang tataas ng grade. May I request Kuya John to present the award. Kuya John, makikisunin mo natin second runner-up. Second grade lang. With an average score of 91.3%. Second runner-up goes to group number 6. ACT. Pasok, ACT. Pasok lahat, pasok. Mas maganda lahat.
Hoy, ano ba yan?
Ayaw nun, tagal pumasok ko. Okay, congratulations. Okay, next, our first runner-up. May I request Kuya Mark to present the award for our first runner-up with an average score of 92.6. Congratulations, group number 2. Dito ka. Wala ka sa ito. Okay, atras. Okay, congratulations. Oh, good picture. Okay, congratulations. Wala na, tapos na tayo. Meron mo ka na hihintay? Champion! Our champion for the best at this demonstration with an average score of 96. Ginalagdat na yung isa doon. Ginalagdat siya. Ginalagdat ako pero ginaya pa rin niya. Okay. Congratulations, group number tulong